are you all doing? My name is Mrs. Eva Enaide. How are you all doing, guys? It's been a while. Okay, tada! We have a new studio to film all our amazing content. So get ready for more and more juicy content, guys. All right. So I want to say thank you to all of you that wished me a happy birthday. Thank you for your birthday wishes. I really appreciate your love. Thank you. Thank you to all my amazing students all around the world. Thank you so much for your love. I really appreciate you. Thank you for choosing me as your coach. I love you guys. Big love. Thank you. So today, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about different products that you can start packaging. Do you get? I'm going to teach you how to repackage these products and sell them to earn money. Why am I doing this? It's because I've been getting questions from people that they have been asking me, oh, how can I start my own food processing business without those big machineries and all. So I'm going to be talking about 5 products that you can start in 2025 without those big machineries like you talked about. So number one product is honey. Many of us underrate honey a lot. We see honey as, oh, honey is this local thing. Do you get that? You know, it cannot be. Honey is a very good product. And the market cannot be oversaturated because so many people are going for honey. And why do they go for honey? Is because of the health benefits of honey. Honey is very medicinal, and people want to have the original honey, the original bush honey. They want to have it in their homes. Do you get? Because of what it does for them health wise. So that this product is an amazing product, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step production process of how to package your honey. Do you get? So this video I'm only talking about repackaging, the repackaging sector, because this video is going to be in series. I cannot talk about these 5 products in this particular video. So today in this video, I'll be talking about only honey. Then the next video, I'll talk about another product. Then the other video, I'm going to talk about another product. So that's how I will shuffle it. So stay tuned to this channel so that you can get all the gist. Do you get it? So guys, when packaging honey, you want to ensure that you source for the right honey. The honey that will not give your customers any issue. You want to ensure that you have the right supplier to supply you original honey. So wherever the location you are going to go to, ensure that you get original honey. You can either get original honey from Edo State, from the north, and most villages they get their own bush honey. They go to the bush. You can get farmers that go to the bush that are into this honey business. They will help you get honey. So all you need to do is to get your trusted supplier. Emphasis on trusted supplier. Know the source of your honey. Do you get? So that you will not have issues at all with your customers. Once you can get this, you are good. You are good to go. Then the next thing, you want to ensure that you get your packaging materials like your sieving, your sieve, your metal sieve. Your packaging material includes your metal sieve and your bottles. The bottles, whether you are using can or you are using bottle, you want to ensure that you get a suitable packaging material for your product, whether can or PET bottles. You want to ensure you get a suitable packaging material that your customers can easily carry from one place to another. You don't want to use things like the normal bottle we have, breakable bottle. Sorry, the breakable bottle is going to make people not to buy your product, because they will be thinking, oh, this thing is too fragile and I will not be able to carry it from one place to another. So it's better to use the PET bottle for your honey when you want to package your honey. So that is for packaging. So after getting the right source for your honey, the next thing you want to do is to what? Get a good packaging material for your honey and get a metal sieve. Don't use a plastic sieve because honey is very heavy. Honey has weight. Use a metal sieve, a metal sieve to what? Sieve your honey. Ensure that you take out those dirt from the bush. Do you get those wood, the stick, the bees? You ensure that you select everything using your sieve. You what? Sieve it out and take the good parts, the good honey, and what? Start transferring it. When I say good honey, I don't mean that the other part is bad. I'm just saying the one that is already sieved and neat. Do you get? Because people will not want to see those bees, those dirt inside the honey. Do you get? Because it will irritate them. So they want it to be neat. So you transfer that into your what? Your bottles or any packaging material that you're using. By the time you transfer it into your cakes, ensure that it is not full to the mouth of the bottle. The reason for the little space on top of this bottle, as you can see, is to allow the product to breathe and also to allow the clients mix the product very well. For instance, they want to use the honey, they have to shake it because after some time the honey, some parts will settle at the bottom. So you want to ensure that they can shake the honey before using it. It's not like when they want to use it, they will just turn it and they'll start using it. They have to mix everything together and use it. So you want to allow that space at the top because if it's too full to the brim, based on my experience, after some time you see that the container will become so big, it expands. Okay. Another thing you have to notice here in this video is my label. You can see that my stickers are well placed in the bottle. They are not just placed anyhow. And you can see that the design is very attractive, that when you see it anywhere, it will call you to come and buy. You understand? It will attract you to come and buy. So you want to ensure that you use a very colorful design for your sticker and use a good size that will be suitable for all your bottles. Doesn't matter the size, whether it's 50 cl, 100 cl, and what 25 cl. I use the same sticker for all my sizes, and you can see here that it's looking beautiful. So you want to use a good size, measure the bottle, get an accurate size for your sticker before going to print so you don't make any mistake. Next thing is marketing. Where can you market your honey? You can market your honey on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. So take advantage of the online platforms you have. You can also advertise your product to supermarkets around you if they will collect. Remember, they only collect products that are NAFDAC certified. So you can try. But please guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. I love you guys. See you on the next one.